Alright, so, you guys, I haven't traded a few days because one, I was at work on Tuesday and yesterday I just really wasn't feeling well, so I just decided not to do anything and not trade and just rest up. And I thought I'd jump on here a bit earlier to talk about the markets at the minute. So, oh wow. Oh wow. Okay. So, as you can see, we have our volume profile. And so we can see the most amount of orders we executed here on the previous week come up and we react off of this area, right? We have sell side here, but I want you guys to realize that we are in a 4-hour bullish PD array, right? And we are printing bearish at the minute. So wait, so we have a sell side here. We have these data highs here. This internal high got swept. We have data highs. We have the sell side here. And in a minute, we're in this 4-hour bullish PD array. Now, obviously, you would want to be bullish out of here, but if we take a look at the charts right now, obviously, it looks like we've tried to come up. We've resisted off of here, right? We've gotten a resistance off of here, and now we're printing bearish, right? Now, let's jump on the 1 hour and see what we got going on. So, we had a couple 1 hour gaps form up on this bitch. We had this one, and they both are disrespected. And coming lower, we have an hourly gap that was held here. So we had a 1 hour bearish PD array that was held. And another one right here. There was one held here as well. Actually, we held this one a couple times. This bearish PD array has held price down for the most part as well. I'm gonna ignore this one. And then an hour, a bearish PD array here. So currently, we look bearish, right? The market has been creating lower lows and lower highs and lower. Remember, this is bearish internal structure, right? We're between external liquidity ranges. But furthermore, you know, with broker structure here on the higher time frame, we are printing bearish, to be fair. Right, so looks like we should be bearish. We do have a bearish gap there. I don't know. I would like to see displacement, but obviously we are chopping quite hard at the minute, so we might see a retracement up to the London highs, you know, so on and so forth. We have a bunch of stacked up low resistance liquidity that we just swept out, so we could easily see some kind of retracement off of these lows. Like immediately, like we wick these lows and go up and try to retrace, like, you know, maybe 50% or wherever you want to fucking retrace it to, right? Either way, it gives us a range that we can play around with here. So like from here to here, we have a range. the background, gee. Swing. Okay. So we have equilibrium. There's that 1 hour there. Equilibrium. My god. Alright, if we're taking shorts today, would want it to be somewhere from equilibrium or premium. Other than that, I would want to look for longs up off the sweep. Okay, so we're going, we're leaving this 15-minute behind, coming up into a 15-minute actually. But we got this sweep. Oh, we got a true sweep here. So we came, took the low, right? This isn't, we didn't actually take it. Give off a retracement, took the low. Now we get the true sweep. This is the true sweep here. Oh, you see it. I think like you could even try the long here, honestly. I would try the long up into the London high because of how the market has been. It's lucky valid, but a bit of a gamble. Might as well try the fucking paper trade. Let's see. Should we put in a paper trade? What drugs would it be if it works out? Stop level. We want to risk 2%. Buy. Then we want. Where's our 1-to-1 at? But about these highs? Yes. It's just easier to do it this way for me. Like that. Obviously, I'm waiting for the market open for the funded. This is just to take the piss, I think. I mean, why not? With this sell limit at this break-even point for half of our trade. Actually, with this third. It's a third of 74. $24.8. Cool. Let's see if this starts cooking. Let's see if this starts fucking cooking. So nice. Alright, I'm front running the fakie. We're currently in a 15-minute right now. Alright. Top on my other charting system. I know that we have the London, the Asia, and the New York PM. Right, we have the London and the Asia. Highs. The highs, but not the lows. To be honest, the market hasn't looked this clear to me in a while. But, yeah. Midnight, real quick. Yeah, midnight. Midnight. 7. And then 1:30. Boom, boom, boom. London. And I have the London. The Asia. And then a bunch of stacked up low resistance liquidity here. low resistance liquidity. The US, it's the same shit. When does it open? Here, so the London high is there. London high. And the Asia. Holy shit. Okay, tap into the 15 minute. Like we said, we are in a bullish PD array. We swept out this internal low. We just want to look for what gets disrespected, basically. We were holding bearish confluence. Oh, SMT at the low as well. There's SMT somewhere down here. But I don't think that will hold. I don't think SMT will hold. Just mark it on the sweep. Ooh. So we're holding this 15 minute on the US for the minute. Back for the moment. Oh, the Nasdaq decides to go lower. So the Nasdaq, in my opinion, is the one manipulating. Internal SMT. Here and here. There and there. There's an internal one. By the ball, there is an hourly SMT between here. I'll just make that a dashed line for SMT. There you go. Julio. Fulio. It's looking pretty fucking good right now, guys. Getting a nice open. We also have the internal SMT between this low and this low, this low and this low. So I think we're holding currently holding the order block. The 15-minute goes inverse on both, maybe. Holy Drake. So there's a 15-minute here, which is holding the price down. So let's mark this out because price actually gave a reaction out of that. Whereas on the US that got disrespected, but it's caused a reaction on both indexes. Holy shit. This illness has got me a bit tired. But I got a proper rest, so... But yes, last night I did not sleep well, so like, did not want to fucking trade or anything because I felt like shit and I had no sleep. But today I've got sleep and feeling a bit better, so you know, the mental and all of that shit is not fucked out like beyond belief. So yeah, good stuff. What do you fucking hell? What is going on? Right, we have to get the first 5 minute going. Honestly, I think we're gonna be longs. I was stacking on SMTs at the lows right here, and then the fucking... Just quite nice. I think we're at least gonna go up for equilibrium. I mean, like, surely we go up for equilibrium. off of a sweep like that, for sure, for sure. And if we're gonna leave it, if we're gonna just leave it sitting there, that's even more confidence for me to be like, yeah, like this is going to be a nice EQ play. We could long this to equilibrium, you know, depending on what our risk is looking like. The gap is holding. Let's have a look at the micro time frame. We get an inverse on the 1. It's not quite an inverse. We are this opening is so volatile. We are getting such a volatile market open right now. It looks so good at the minute. Whenever we get a direction, we'll be able to play this very nicely. Wicking off of these lows again. I would want to play it on the US, mainly because it's leading on the SMT side of things. I'm not really looking at this SMT. I'm kind of ruling this SMT out because this high got taken. Like, this is the impulse swing. Here to here, that's the swing. So we came and took it out and then took out this high, which means it's over. As in, the impulse has already happened. So I'm happy just leaving that. But what I'm more interested in is, obviously, the major swing on the higher time frame, this SMT. This is the swing that I'm more interested in. You get me? Between those, it's so crazy. No. Boom, 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 boom. Right, we're about to get this market structure shift on the 1 minute. Right here. There's the MSS. The MSS. MS. Or change of character, whatever the fuck you want to call it. Obviously, I just don't know if this is micro time frame. This is all internal structure at the end of the day. Actually, micro time frame, this is the swing. Either way, however you want to look at it, it's micro time frame structure. I still think we're going to come up for that EQ. Oh, holy shit. What the fuck was that? It went up and then went, fuck you. Holy chop. Holy fucking chop. But the chop is very volatile. So that means when it finally decides to go somewhere, we're going to go fast. I need to be ready to just get in on shit. I also need to be aware that it's still the first 15 minutes, which is why it's looking like this crazy. Bro, that's the volatility that, like, I haven't been seeing in the market for the past month or two. Like, we haven't had volatility like this in the New York AM session for a while. Like, it's been, and we have had it actually, but it's been very scarce. Like, it's not been happening a lot. So it would be quite nice if we get a day where we're extremely volatile to the upside. I mean, it looks like, at the minute, it looks like we want to disrespect. Right. We are forming bearish market structure. We're forming more internal SMT as we speak. Between these, just more and more. It's very volatile today. US is going down. We're going down. Okay, we're getting a reaction. We are showing that we're bearish. Nice. Alright, let's see what happens when we take this low out. I don't think we're going to be bearish today. But, obviously it could happen. But, whatever happens when this low gets taken out, fuck knows. Right, because we're so close to sell side, technically, I really, like, because we're so close to this sell side, right, it's kind of a fucking sticky, icky trade. Like, I don't want to fucking short it at the minute. In this range, we're in heavy discount, right next to the fucking, I'm in. Actually, in the true range, so this is the true range, created by this data candle. We're just sticking around equilibrium at the minute. So this is our external liquidity points. Actually, this is the internal high, but technically it's external. This is the swing high. So the swing. I really don't fucking know. I would expect, with the choppiness that we have at the minute, that we're just gonna go up to equilibrium and just fucking then rip off of it, like sweep liquidity here and then just fucking rinse. Whoa, I took a minute to look away and we're doing bullshit like that. And then we get another SMT. Like, we have SMT stacked all the way down. Bro, what are we doing? To me, it doesn't look like manipulation, but maybe it fucking is. Just because we're at a major point. Oh, we retested the inversion. No, we haven't even gone inverse yet. Fuck off. What on earth? What in God's name? Bro, what the fuck? Nice. Holy moly, donut shop. What the fuck is going on? Well, that's confirmed a very nice entry for me. Nice. Well, we don't want a one-to-one, so let's wait for a retrace. And then we'll buy at the bottom of the retrace. Can we retrace to this 1 minute? That would be nice. Okay, we're gonna have to wait for a better entry. Let's see if we can get a 1 minute here. I mean, my shit was already confirmed when we got that close of the EMA like that. We're holding the 15 minute, by the way. So I'm just waiting for some 1 minute to go higher. Where is the London high? All the way up here. I just need a little retrace to show me where to enter. Holy Rippy. Holy Rippington. Holy shit, I would have been so off if I just entered. Nah, it's calm. We'll wait for that retrace. Yeah, if we could just flip on our head, that would be very nice. I mean, I can't enter like that, bro. It's got to come back a bit. One gap, two gap, three gap, four. There's that break structure. This, that, and that. Okay, a little bit of retrace here. Retrace. In 1 minute. Just look for where it's reacting from. Come back, come back. You're so far. It's so deviated from the EMA as well. Like, because we're very volatile today. Like, obvious longs, basically. Now, at least it is. I basically called it, right? I mean, now we just need to wait for an entry trigger, a place so that we can get in on this bitch. Because now that we're done manipulating, we're gonna get nice distribution, obviously. And if we're gonna sweep anything, it's gonna be that London high. What might happen is we might have to play the shorts instead. Alright, let's see. We're getting a nice rotation inwards now. Holding this gap. And this is very slow. Why does it always do that? I'm gonna wait a minute. I want to wait for a 5-minute time. Obviously, this could be the swing. But the SMT is holding strong. Come up. Let's wait. Let's wait and see. Still internal. That's the problem. Alright, this will be my condition for the day. This 5-minute, if we get it. I think Nasdaq will go inverse on this gap, and maybe the US will hold it. We'll see. We'll see if we even go to it. Obviously, we might just it might be a breakaway. There is 1 minute internal liquidity there as well. Might want to go and sweep that. Might get a stop hunt there. It's, well, what people call a stop hunt, but I think it's a stop hunt. I just think we're just sweeping. It is the micro time frame. Do we have news? Oh shit. Had 12 unemployment claims, right? And then we have President Trump speaking. Oh no. We might finally be displacing from the 4 hour. This might finally be that displacement. Bunch of low resistance liquidity. We might be going up for those data highs even. We'll just wait patiently, get our entry trigger, get in for this bitch, target the London highs. to get a little bit of a retrace here. Oh, volatility is there. Get the next 4 hour after this 5 minute 2 p.m. candle, because it's daylight savings. It's not 3 p.m. It's 4 p.m. 2 p.m. Sorry. Oh my god. Holy cough. Coughing baby versus Nasdaq. It was 15 minute forming. Bloody wick work on the Nasdaq. This looks like it could maybe be the swing. So I wanna look at what happens in this 15 minute. It could be a day where we do nothing just to see what price is doing. I mean, if it looks like we're going to inverse this 15, then I may be willing to front run this shit. But 2 minutes and we get that candle open, and it would be nice to see us open low and then go high. But it looks like we might just be swinging. Like it looks like this, right? Just a little swing. There's the order block here. I would really like to see that London high get taken for a nice reaction, but we're in this 5 minute. There's a couple 5 minutes just chilling there. Big old reaction off this 5 minute. Sweeping these lows. 2 minute gap, 3 minute. No, nothing. Holy shit. fake out. Surely, right? Can't be real. Oh, there was a 1 minute on Nasdaq. I think this 50-minute is going to turn into a stronger draw. Alright, but we got a 4-hour form in. Just doesn't look nice when you leave a fat wick like that. Oh, I don't know. I don't know about that. I don't really know about that. Fucking wick of doom and despair. Right, we're testing this VPR on an NAS. SMT at the high. We're definitely going to go and take that London high out. It's just where are we? Maybe the order block. I want to try bottom wick the 1 minute. That looks a little better. It just looks a lot cleaner on a 15. nice. My god. Holy shit. Drake just spawned. I mean, this range gives us this premium, this discount down here. That would be the place to take longs from, I think. Under this low, if we can sweep this low out, that would be where I want to take the long from. We have a nice 15-minute forming as well. I think I want to wait for this 15-minute. I just want to wait for the 15-minute to close and see what we get. Because we're currently like accumulating on the 1 minute. I think this, if we can manipulate lower, that would be very, very nice. And I think the manipulation would come under this right into the 15-minute. It'd be very nice to see that. But I need to go to the toilet. I'll be watching this on my phone. I'm back, boys. I had my mic on me the whole time, just fucking waiting for this shit to fucking do some shit, basically. Watching 15-minute, waiting for this shit to go up. Just noise. Why noise? You just wanna keep me on repeat, me crying. No top wick. I should shoot up. I'm gonna go break even at the fucking London high. Literally just gonna target one to this. Ah. There you go. I would be break even at this high then. If we go invest on this 1 minute, I'm out. Invest. Yeah. Oh, GG's. Chop. Just turned into a chop fest. Might get an entry here though. Nah, I don't want to trade this. Jeez. Choppy day.